Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our English learning podcast. Today, we are talking about quantifiers, words we use to talk about the amount of something.
Our focus today.
All, most, half, some, none.
Let's begin.
All meaning 100%.
We use all when something includes every person or everything. Examples.
Examples.
All students are in the classroom. I drank all the water.
All the water. Yeah.
All of my friends like music.
Meaning around 70-90%.
We use most when the majority is true, but not everyone. Example.
Most people enjoy weekends.
Most of the apples are fresh.
Most students finish the homework.
HAF.
Meaning 50%.
We use half when something is divided into two equal parts.
Half of the class is absent today.
Half the people in the room are teachers.
Oh, I ate half of the cake.
Meaning a small amount, but more than one, not all. Yeah.
Examples. Some children are playing outside. I have some money. Some of my friends speak English.
None.
Meaning 0%. We use none when there is nothing or no one.
Examples. None of the cookies are left. None of my classmates came early today.
I have none of the answers. How many students are in class today?
Most of them are here, but some are sick.
And the homework?
All students finished it, yet none forgot.
Great. What about the books?
Only half were returned.
Thank you for listening to today's episode. Practice these sentences every day to improve your English. See you in the next episode.